Hey guys, and welcome back to Akiva's Hair. And today we're going to be getting a facial done by Face in Society. Make sure you guys shout her out on all socials. She is London based. And we've been here before, so I'm going to talk you through my facial treatment with her. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now we're going to start off with a double cleanse. We're going to start off with an oil-based cleanser first, and then a hydrating cleanser. So we're just going to talk you through a couple of fun facts with me with skincare. So fun fact one, this is the second time I ever had a facial done in my life. And the first time I went was last year, October. And I've seen some really great results from having it the first time. And this time, the treatment has been even upgraded. So you're going to see a lot of new things with this treatment specifically. So if you're new to my channel, I've had my account for about 3 years. Now, in my entire life, I've never taken skincare seriously. I've gone my whole life without having a skincare routine ever. Like not having actual like cleansers or facial creams or whatever. I was just using whatever I had at home. So I'm going to talk you through this part specifically. This is a microdermabrasion. It's got like diamond encrusted tips at the top. This helps with skin exfoliation. This is some serious stuff. It feels very soft though. Doesn't feel hard at all. Very calming. And yeah, like I was saying, I've never had a skincare routine until I started the page. And I never really had any problems wrong. But we're going to go through like what I used to use before. I was a bit of a madman, yeah? I would use imperial leather on the body and on my face because I just didn't know any better. She's actually giving me some praise here because underneath the skin of my beard, it's actually very clear. Big shout outs to Noir Noir's beard shampoo. It has definitely helped with that. So this is the amount of gunk left after. Now we're going to be using a vacuum. Now this helps with congestion and blocked pores. So I've always had some whiteheads or black, I don't know what you call this, on my nose, like on the bridge of my nose. So like this treatment specifically, you're going to be seeing some of the results. Sorry, I should have put a disclaimer. But yeah, so if you didn't already notice, she's just going to be clearing up the skin so that we can get a blank canvas. She will be going over some of the ingrown hairs, or I think that was... You guys tell me what that is in the comment section. I think that is a blackhead. Now, there was some parts that I did manage to capture on this phone because we recorded originally on 3 different phones. But this was a landscape for YouTube and it was a clay mask. But never mind, we're just going to be basically spraying off the face after using the clay mask. You're probably wondering what she's spraying, but it is an oxygen serum air spray. Now, this does help to calm the skin and it does help refresh. Now, you're going to be doing the most interesting part of the video. I've never done this in my life. This is a eye mask and this is high quality stuff. So obviously she's going to place it underneath both eyes. So yeah, as I was saying, I've never had a skincare routine before. So when I first started the page, I did find the Body Shop and I was using their CBD range. It was fantastic. Unfortunately, one of the products was discontinued. I think the whole range ended up being discontinued. So then I needed to find something new. And I did move on to a new brand called CeraVe. So I was using the CeraVe facial cleanser. And I also was using Face Dairy's oil-free serum. And then that ended up being my go-tos. So yeah, let me interject here. So now we're going to be putting a sheet mask on top of the eye mask. As you can see, she's just going to be filling it out there. Now, these sizes, they don't come to fit black faces. So we made some adjustments. So we cut the bottom off so that it can fit properly. So yeah, I'll just be leaving this on for like a few minutes, like about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off. As of now, that routine works amazing for me. As you can see, my skin's very, very clear and it's cleaned up a lot more. And this is my second time having a facial. So I've seen the effects of having a proper facial massage by an expert like herself. Now, this is going to be an interesting part of the video. I've never done anything like this before. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this. This is a eye massage. Now it looks like a VR headset. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was a VR headset, but there's no visual images. You're gonna see completely black, but it looks so cool. So I did apply this onto my face and literally just put it on top of your eyes, and it's stimulating and it's kind of massaging on top of the eyes. It feels really, really relaxing, I've got to say. And then she did do like an oil-based massage on my neck that helps with lymphatic drainage. Now, this felt like I was on 10. This is a different level. She's going to have to add masseuse to her bio and on top of the wall of things that she already does, because this felt amazing, very, very relaxing and calming. Another fun fact would be, I don't know what SPF was until I started my page. I have never used SPF ever as well. I've been told numerous of times that I should, but incoming in the future maybe. I like to keep my routines extremely short and sweet. If it works right now for me, I'm not going to really change it or adapt it. And I'm a very simple person. I just want to get up in the morning, cleanser, wash off my face, and then use a serum, and that's it. And yeah, we're done. This is another part I didn't capture. We did do like a little oil massage, and then this is the finishing results of this massage. Make sure you get at her at Face in Society. She's the best in the city. Like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube videos. I got you on it.